Hi there, welcome back. Today, I'm going to go ahead to the next challenge in Hackerrank. That is arithmetic operators. Let's go ahead and get it done. So, as you remember from my previous video, I have a Jupyter notebook on the right just as something that will help me introduce things and explain things just a bit better. Let's go and solve this challenge. Like always, let's read the question really carefully. What is the task? The provided code stub reads two integers from stdin. This top area, the white area, is called the stdin, where we write the code, and std out is the bottom where the output comes in. So we're taking two inputs from the user, and we want to add code to print 3 lines where, number 1, the first line contains the sum of the two numbers. So I want to write some code that after receiving A and B will add them together. So let's move these lines just a bit down. Like I have told you in my previous videos, this bottom area is the execution area. For example, up the top here, you say, go ahead and make me a pizza. Well, it's not going to go ahead and make you that pizza unless you execute it at the bottom. So let's define a function and say all arithmetic ops. Okay, what goes into this function? Well, num1 and num2, which is A and B, but I like to give them different names because I don't want somebody who will take this code from me to kind of get confused. Oh, if A is something we're getting from the user, then what is it called? Why is it called A again here? That's why I call it num1 and num2. It's just good practice in coding. So the requirement is that the first line contains the sum of the two numbers. Well, I can just easily say print num1 plus num2. That's going to satisfy this requirement. The second line contains the difference of the two numbers. Okay, so print num1 negative num2. And third one, the third line contains the product of the two numbers. That's easy. Print num1 times num2. Okay, are we done? Not yet, because you have your ready action function, which is make me a pizza. But as long as you don't call it down here, it's not going to run. So what I need to do is now say all arithmetic, is that what I called it? Yes, ops for A and B. Because here I need to say A and B. I want A to be my number 1, and I want B to be my number 2. That's why I pass A and B. Let's run this. We got a dictation problem, I think. Let's copy this. Exactly. I might have misspelled it. Yes, I did. Run it again. It was my bad. Dictation problems all the time. Congratulations, we did it. So if you like this video, and if you think that it really helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be going through all Hackerrank problems. Thanks.